Hi, I'm Bob Nuss from the Nuss Collection, Rochester, Minnesota. We've got I think it's a 1928 AB moving truck. It was originally sold to the Deli Company in Hartford, Connecticut, and I would assume they were an Allied Van Lines agent. It's original paint. We scraped the loose paint off. We applied a clear coat with a flattener in it, and to kind of protect the patina on the truck. It's a really neat truck for moving and storage. Inside the cab, it had a bunk above, so it would have a full flat seat that one driver could sleep on the lower bunk, and there was an upper bunk that flipped up and hinged, and that's been removed, but two drivers could go cross country in this truck, and they could have two bunks in this truck.